This conversation is brief and to the point between neighbors.
Good morning, Sarah.
Morning, John. How are you today?
I'm good, thanks. Just taking out the trash. How about you?
I'm well, just finished walking the dog. Did you hear about the new cafe opening nearby?
No, I didn't. Where is it?
It's just around the corner, next to the grocery store. They have great coffee.
That sounds nice. I'll have to check it out. How's your garden doing?
It's growing well. The tomatoes are almost ready to pick.
That's great. Fresh tomatoes are the best.
Absolutely. If you need any, just let me know.
Thanks, Sarah. I might take you up on that.
Anytime. Well, I better get going. Have a good day, John.
You too, Sarah. See you around.
This conversation is concise and friendly, that expresses everyday exchanges neighbors often have.
Hi, Dave. How's it going?
Hey, Emily. I'm good, thanks. Just mowing the lawn. You?
I'm fine. Just got back from grocery shopping.
Nice. Did you find everything you needed?
Yes, thankfully. Did you hear about the community picnic this weekend?
No, I didn't. Where is it?
At the park down the street. It starts at noon on Saturday.
That sounds fun. Are you going?
Yes, I am. You should come too.
I think I will. Thanks for the info.
All right then. Have a good day, Dave.
You too, Emily. See you at the picnic.
This conversation is simple and between kids planning to play together.
Hey, Emma, what are you doing? Hi, Liam. I'm playing with my new toy car. Want to join? Cool. I got a new action figure. Can I bring it over? Sure. Let's play together in the backyard. Great. I'll be there in a minute. What game should we play? How about a race? Your action figure can ride in my car. That sounds fun. We can build a track with blocks. Good idea. I have lots of blocks in my room. Let's go get them. Okay, I'll help you carry them. This is going to be awesome. Yeah, I can't wait. Let's make the best track ever.
This conversation is between neighbors discussing educational resources.
Hi, Raj. How are you?
Hey, Nina, I'm good. Just stressed about final exams.
I understand. Have you thought about joining a tuition academy?
Actually, yes. Do you know any good ones?
Yes, my cousin goes to Bright Academy. She says it's really helpful.
Really?
They focus on final exam prep.
Sounds perfect. Do you know how much they charge?
I think it's about $200 for the whole course. It's worth it.
Thanks, Nina. I'll check it out.
No problem. Good luck with your exams.
Thanks, you too.